Hello, I'm Forrest Mahan, President of Aiken Technical College, and I welcome you to another edition of Mondays with Mahan. Today, my special guest is Dawn Butts, who is the Director of Enrollment Services here at Aiken Technical College. Welcome to Mondays with Mahan.
Thank you.
Dawn is here to talk to us today about an important method of helping pay for summer courses. We have a source of funding called the Governor's Workforce for the Future program, and I'd like for you to share a little bit about that with us because it is what we call a last dollar scholar. Talk to us a little bit about someone who may be interested in coming to school with us this summer, how best they get ready to do this.
Okay. The first step to tap into this financial source is to apply for the FAFSA. That's the free application for federal student aid. As Dr. Mahan mentioned, it is a last dollar scholar. So once your financial aid has posted and you have a balance, then the Workforce for the Future Scholarship will kick in to take care of any of that balance that you may have. There are three things that you have to self-certify, one of the three. First one is you have to be employed. The second one is you have to do a financial literacy program, or the third, do community service. All those are self-certified, so we don't check up on you, but we do ask that you commit to those.
Okay, so this is a great opportunity for those who may have a little bit of a gap in their funding. They qualify for LTA, but there may be some other funds they need to use in order to cover the cost of tuition. So in many ways, programs that qualify, this could be basically an effective way to kind of cover the cost of tuition, correct?
Correct. And the programs that it covers is all of our academic programs except for the Associates in Arts and Associates in Science, because those are designed for transfer, not necessarily getting out there in the workforce. But all of your technical programs such as computer technology, welding, even your nursing, surg tech, rad tech, those are just a few.
So in those areas, pretty much any field that is going to be getting you a work-ready credential in a relatively short period of time. So you can come to Aiken Technical College in selected fields for little to no cost, and this funding source is a way to help sort of close the gap for those who may have a little bit of a balance left over after all of their aid has been applied. Anything else you'd like to share about summer registration?
We're registering now for summer. Classes start May 10th, and we'd be glad to have you.
Okay, well, very good. Well, Ms. Butts, thank you for your time. And again, this has been another edition of Mondays with Mahan.